How much D3 for SAD?
Seasonal affective disorder is mainly driven by reduced sunlight, circadian disruption, and brain chemistry. Low vitamin D can contribute, but D3 alone rarely cures SAD. Check a serum 25-hydroxyvitamin D level when possible. For maintenance, many clinicians use 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily in winter. Typical maintenance range is 600 to 2,000 IU daily. To correct deficiency, short regimens include 50,000 IU weekly for 6 to 8 weeks, or about 6,000 IU daily for 8 weeks. Then move to maintenance under clinician supervision. Do not exceed 4,000 IU daily long-term without monitoring. And combine vitamin D with proven treatments like light therapy, cognitive behavioral therapy, or antidepressants as advised by your clinician.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.